In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an eBay account in the most effective way, and make sure you watch the entire video because there will be some key information, and if you skip past this, then you may not be opening the right type of eBay account for you. So the first thing that you want to do is you go over to ebay.co.uk or ebay.com, whichever platform you're based in, or ebay.de, and then you want to go ahead and click on register. Now, once you click on register, you're going to have an option to click on either personal or a business account. Now, you want to open up a personal account if you're just looking to sell things around the house. You're going to casually be listing things on eBay. But if you're serious about eBay and you want to sell things on a regular basis, you want to make a full-time hustle out of it, and as we talk about wholesale in this, you really want to be looking at a business account. Now, there is one more thing that you should know, is that once you open up a personal account, if you change your mind later, you can switch that account over to a business account. However, if you open up a business account, you cannot then switch it back to a personal account. There are certain offers available, certain things available on a business account that just isn't available on a personal account. What you then want to do is you just want to put your business name, which is going to be your name, but if you've got a limited company, you're going to put the name of your company, etc., the email address, create a password, and so on. And then it's just going to ask you for a few more details. Just fill in the details that it's asking for, and it's as simple as that. One thing that you do want to do is when you got your account up and running, you go over to account settings and you want to set up your payment information, and it's going to asking you for your banking details and things like that. And don't worry about it, it's absolutely fine. eBay is a secure platform. What you don't want to do is be putting in incorrect information. Don't put in your fake name, fake address, or fake details, fake bank details, because you will get caught out, because eBay does do a background check on you every time you open up an account. And if it finds discrepancies, it may even suspend your account, or as a matter of fact, they permanently may ban your account. So you don't want to be putting in fake details when you are setting up an account. The next thing that you want to do is you want to go out there and you want to sell one product. Okay, sell absolutely anything. I would recommend, if you're based in UK, go over to Poundland, or if you're based in the United States, go over to the 99-cent store and buy something for $1, buy something for £1, and just sell it. So you click on the sell button over here and list it. So say, for example, look, I've got a big pen over here, right? So you just want to go ahead and click on sell, and then you want to go and list this item. Do you know what? Whether you make money or not, it's fine, absolutely not a problem. What you want to do is your first few sales is just get experience, understand how the platform works. You want to understand the layouts of eBay, how to list an item, how the shipping, how absolutely everything works. If you make a sale, what you want to do is send it out as quickly as possible. You just want to really get in the good books of the platform. And now, once you do actually list your first item, you want to get set up with the Seller Hub. To get set up with the Seller Hub, you go over to this help and contact section at the top, click on this, and then type in Seller Hub. And then you want to go ahead and click on this first link over here where it says Seller Hub, and then you want to scroll down and it says simply go to Seller Hub. Now, if the first time you're using it, it's going to ask you, would you like to use Seller Hub? And you want to say yes. Once you say yes, then you're going to get access to this screen over here. Now, this screen shows you a bunch of stuff, very valuable information. So if you've got any tasks pending, like you need to post an item out, you've made any sales, it will show you here. It'll give you information about your orders, feedback over here, listings, and there's quite a few boxes for you to go through. It gives you key information that you require. Now, if you want to change it, say for example, if there's too many boxes, you go ahead and click on customize and you can get some boxes removed. Or if you want absolutely everything, then just make sure that you go ahead and tick absolutely everything over here. One of the key things that people will be interested in is the selling limits. Now, I'm going to make a completely separate video about this, so after this video you can watch the selling limit videos. Something that you do definitely want to do is you want to season your account on eBay. What I mean by seasoning your account is by getting a few sales on there, sell some cheap items, because if you start selling some high value items, eBay may put an automatic suspension on your account just to make sure that you are not, unlegit. So by seasoning the account a little bit, you know what, you're going to just gradually grow into eBay. So that's something that you definitely want to do. I know some of you will be interested in something like, these offers here, buy 3 get 1 free, buy 4 get 1 free, and so on. You can't actually do this on a standard account. You will need to upgrade your account to a shop. So if you go over to help and contact and then you type in shop, then you will have access to these features once you subscribe to a shop. Now, you should understand that when it comes to eBay shop, opening an eBay shop, you go ahead and click on that. To open up an eBay shop, choose a shop subscription, and there is a monthly charge. So if it's for a basic in the UK, it's £25, featured is £69, anchor is £399 a month plus VAT. The prices in the United States might be slightly different. Now, when you do open up a shop, you're going to get access to a few extra additional features. and you will be able to list items for free. So when you have a business account, you'll get charged every time you list an item. So it could be like 36 pence. But if you have a shop, you can upload up to 250 items without it getting charged. If you're serious about selling on eBay and you want a business account, then you should be looking at a shop. But you can always play around with the free version first, and then if you're thinking about going serious on eBay, then definitely go and subscribe to a shop. That's the basics of setting up an eBay account. If you click on the video that you see on the screen right now, I go through eBay selling limits in detail. It deserves its own video, so click on that to learn how you can increase your selling limits on eBay in the most effective way.